Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this logo easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set up a page. To do it you have to click on here. Then select inches from here, then click on this box, then type at 3.5. Then click on this box, then type at 2. Then click on this box, then type at 300. Then click on the OK. After set up the page, you have to select the pen tool from here, then you have to click on here, then select shape, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve, then press and hold Alt key, then click on anchor point, then you have to click on here and draw a curve again, then press and hold Alt key, then click on anchor point again, then click on here, then select the move tool, then drag this in here, then select the pen tool again, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on anchor point, then click on here, then click on here and draw a curve again. Then click on the fill, then you have to click on here, then select this color, then click on the OK. Then select the home tool, then drag this under this layer. Then select this, then you have to drag this in here. Then select this layer again, then you have to rotate this layer. Then click on the tick mark. Then you have to select the pen tool from here, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on anchor point, then click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on anchor point again. Then you have to click on here. Then click on the fill, then click on here. Then you have to select this color. Then click on the OK. Then you have to drag this under these layers. Then select the move tool, then select these layers, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this, then increase the size of this, then press and hold Shift key, then increase the size again, then you have to rotate this, then drag this in here, then click on the tick mark, then select this, then drag this in here, then decrease the size of this, then click on the tick mark. Then select these layers, then drag these layers in here. After that, you have to select these layers from here, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this, then click on the anchor point, then right click on this, then click on the flip horizontal. Then you have to drag this in here. Then you have to click on the tick mark. Then you have to select these layers, then decrease the size of these layers, then drag these layers in here. After that, you have to select this layer, then double click on here, then you have to select this color from here. Then you have to click on the OK, then select this layer, then double click on here, then you have to select this color, then click on the OK. Then select this, then double click on here, then select this color again, then click on the OK, then select this, then double click on here, then select this color again, then click on the OK. After that, you have to select this layer from here, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay, then click on here, then click on the blues, then you have to select this color. Then you have to select this, then drag this in here, then click on the OK. Then you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the copy layer style. Then you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the face layer style. Then you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the face layer style again. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the face layer style again. After that, you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the face layer style, then right click on this layer again, then click on the blending option, then you have to click on the gradient overlay, then click on the reverse, then you have to click on here, then select this, then drag this in here, then select this, then drag this in here, then click on the OK, then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the copy layer style, then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the face layer style. After that, you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay, then you have to click on here, then click on the blues, then you have to select this color from here, then select this, then click on the color, then you have to select this color, then you have to select this color from here, then click on the OK, then select this, then drag this in here, then click on the OK, then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the copy layer style, then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the paste layer style. Then you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the outer glow. Then click on the OK. After that, you have to select the text tool from here, then you have to click on here, then write your company name in here. Then you have to press Ctrl+A button from keyboard. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to select this font style. Then click on here. Then you have to select this color. Then click on the OK. Then select the move tool. Then increase the size of this. Then drag this in here. Then click on the tick mark. After that, you have to click on the file. Then click on the save as. Then you have to click on the don't show again. Then you have to select save on your computer. Then select the location. Then you have to type a name in here. Then you have to select PNG format from here. Then click on the save. Then you have to open the PNG image. Then you have to remove the background from here. After opening the image, you have to open your mockup. So I am opening my mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, you have to double click on here. Then click on the backspace. Then you have to select this project. Then select this, then drag this in here. Then you have to set this in here. After set this, you have to press Ctrl+S button from keyboard. Now, here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.